Harshit, Amar, and Shaima. Revised all those three identities. Eh? We have fourth one. Oh, so I named this. This is the third one, right? Where is that pen? Yeah. So okay. So this is the third one, right? And let me quickly revise this. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, Rizwan for you. So
Right.
in the in the previous class we learned about three special trigonometric identities, right? So as you study in the algebra, right? In the algebra you have these kind of identity, right? So similarly in trigonometry we have a few trigonometric identity. So the first one is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay. Second one is the sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. And the third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. This is equal to 1. So these are the three identities that we will use in exercise 8. Okay, only three. You have to remember only these three quantities. Okay. Yeah. So let us start this next exercise. And Rizwan, you just remember these three things. Okay.
Okay. So what is eight? It's six.
Yeah. What is?
Eight. No, you wrote right. 8 minus 3. I thought it's eight. I thought it's 8 minus 3.
Oh, 8.3. Why you
Yeah.
always yeah make fun of my handwriting? Why?
Sorry, sir.
What have I done to you, Rizwan? Okay. Okay. So okay. So now yeah, your voice is breaking, Rizwan. Yeah.
Internet issue.
Yeah, yeah. So did you come back to Riyadh? Did you come back?
No, sir.
You were still in Assam. Okay.
Yes, sir. Went different place.
Oh, but a different place. Yeah. So
Yeah,
in the previous time you were at your nani's home, right?
yeah.
Now
Then I went to Tezpur, then Guwahati, then Golpara.
Tezpur. Oh, I have been to Tezpur. So at yeah, Rizwan from Riyadh. Yes, Hashim. Rizwan is from Riyadh. Yeah, and
What?
yeah, Hashid is yeah. So you are from Riyadh, right? Rizwan.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So Hashid is asking about that. Okay, yeah, and yeah, at one point I went to Tejpur University. So yeah, for my
At
academic
Tezpur
purpose.
College. Eh?
Yeah, Tejpur University, a very beautiful university in
Uh,
Tejpur.
so, yeah, we went there for my that big brother's admission.
Oh,
College. Yeah.
in Tejpur University,
Yes.
which subject, which department?
Right. Computer science.
Computer science.
That's
Yeah,
software.
so that is adjacent to the that's it adjacent to the physics department.
Yes.
So yeah, and yeah, I spent 1 month in Tezpur University. So just beside the VC office, you have the guest house. So yeah, I was there in that guest house. Okay, so world is too small, right? Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah,
saw.
Yeah, so now let us come back to this, right, 8.3 first question. So always remember this, whenever these kind of questions are given, so first we just remember these three things, right? So just note it down somewhere, just write it down, and and then yeah, and the third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Right. So if these are the things that you know, and Shaima, this was the question that you asked in the previous part, right? Yes, Shaima.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first thing that we do for these cases, so we have to write express the trigonometric ratio sin A, sec A, and tan A in terms of cot A. So what we can do is that first let us calculate the direct one, right? So we have to write tan A, right? So how can we write tan A in terms of cot A? Yes, how can we write tan A in terms of cot A? Yes, this is the direct one, right? So how is sin theta related to cosec theta?
So reciprocal.
Reciprocal, right? Similarly, how tan theta is related to cot theta?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal, right? So Shama, what we can write?
1 by cot A.
1 by cot A, direct. This one, yes, absolutely correct. So we first write the direct one, right? So now I can write tan A. Okay. Now from tan A, what in these three, from tan A, what can I calculate? Yes, from tan A, what can I calculate?
Sec
From
A.
these three, sec A, right? So let us write sec A. Sec square A minus tan square A, this is 1. So I can calculate sec square A as 1 plus tan square A, correct? So I can calculate
Yes.
sec A as root of 1 plus tan square, right? Now what I can do? I can just put the value of tan, right guys? So this is 1 plus 1 by cot square A, then this is root. So to simplify this, what we can do is that we can take the LCM, and this is cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square. So we can stop at this, or you can further simplify this as 1 plus cot square A root divided by cot. Right. So this is my sec. Understood? The idea is that first we write the direct ones. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes. Doubts are always welcome. Doubts are, yeah.
So, yeah, sir, to remove that sec square, you did root, right?
Yeah. So I take the square root on both the sides, right?
Yeah.
Or if I take, yeah, yes.
Then in sec A, right, the A must be also get root, right?
Oh, so this is, yes, sir. That is the, that is why you don't miss some classes. This is a ratio. This is some function, right? Sec
Yes,
of
sir.
angle A. This is not a multiplication, right?
Mm,
So this is a not. This sec A is whole thing.
symbol,
These
a
are
name.
not, yeah, yeah. These are not separate things. So sec
Okay.
A is not sec A, sec into A. right? Similarly, we cannot, as we did one problem like this, where was that problem? Okay, so we did this kind of problem. So we see that in that problem that this is not equal to cos A plus cos B, right? Why this is? Because this is a totally different thing than this one and this one separately. So this is not equal, right? So always remember that this is a function which comes with this angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that is why you will not see anything like that. 1 by tan of something you cannot, you will not see. 1 by tan. So when you will study in the higher classes about trigonometry, so you will never come across this stuff. 1 by tan of such, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any more doubt, guys? Always remember these are together, right? So yeah, don't separate these guys, right? Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So now we have calculated what was the question. We have to calculate tan A sec A, right? So tan A and sec A in the form of cot A we have calculated, right? Now the last term is what? This is sin A, right? So either we can use this one, whichever one. So either we can use this one or we can use this one, right? To calculate the sin. So Hashit, you tell me which would be easier to use. Which would be easier to use? First one or the third one? We have to find out sin.
So the first one.
First one. Okay, so if you say the first one, so but in here this is cos theta, right? This is in the
Yes,
form
sir.
of so what we can do? We know only tan A, we know only sec A, right? So what we can do?
Sir, take the third one.
Take the reciprocal, right? Good, good, good. Yeah. So I will show you guys that from first or from third, how can we calculate from both, right? So don't think about the direct result. Think about step by step. So we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So to calculate sine, we know we want to calculate or we need cos theta, right? So cos theta we can calculate from here, right, guys? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what would be cos A
Yes,
from
sir.
here? From here, what would be cos A? Shaima? Yes. From here, what would be cos? We have this one. Shaima. Oh, so you have written in the chat.
1 by sec A.
Can't we take the root of 1 plus tan square A as 1 plus tan A? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't see the question. Right, so sorry about that. Yeah. So you were saying that 1 plus tan square A is 1 plus tan A. This one, Shaima. Yes. Are you saying this?
Yes.
Okay, so to answer your question, let me ask you this question, kind counter question. So I have 2 square plus 3 square root under. Can I write this as 2 plus 3? Yes, this was your question, right?
Yes.
So can I write this 2 square plus 3 square as this one? Yeah. Can I write this? Just tell whatever is coming into your mind. No need to think about anything else. So can I write like this?
No.
No, right? Because this means that, what does this mean? So this means that if I take 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3, right? Because pair is taken outside of the root. We always take pair outside of the root, right? So if my answer is 2 plus 3, which means that this is the square, right? This is the meaning of this, right? If I have 2 plus 3, which is coming out of some square, so this should be 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3, correct? This should be equal to this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So this 2 plus 3 is not equal to this one, right? This is whole square, but we have this square plus this square, right? So that is why this is not equal to this one. And you can also see from here, this is 4 plus this is what? 9. So this is 13. So this is root 13. This is not equal to 5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So any yeah, more doubts, guys? Oh, Shama, you were saying something before this part. Yeah, you were saying something. Oh, I asked the question. Yeah, what is cos A?
1 by sec A.
1 by sec A, right? So and sec A we know, correct? So we take the reciprocal of this. So this is cot A by 1 plus cot square. Any harm in doing this? Yes, guys. Is this correct? Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so now I know cos A. So I can find out sine square A. So sine square A is 1 minus cos square A. Right. So sine A is root of 1 minus cos square. Right. So this is 1 minus cos square A is what? This is this thing whole square. So cot A divided by root of 1 plus cot square A whole square. So this should be how much? This is 1 minus cot square A divided by 1 plus cot square root n. So this goes over here. We take the LCM. This is 1 plus cot square A minus of cot square A divided 1 plus cot square. So this one cancels and we have root of 1 by 1 plus cot square. This is my sine. So we have written sine as function of cot, tan as function of cot, or sec as function of cot. Understood? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Now,
Um,
yes, yes, it is one boss. Do you have any doubt?
no,
And
no, sir.
Amar, you are silent today. Yeah, so you usually ask questions. Yes. Don't you have any questions today? Mm, yeah.
No.
Okay. So as I was saying, guys, that I can also use this third equation, right? I can also use this third identity to calculate sine. So what would be? So always think about not the one step, but some other two steps, right? So the idea would be here that I know that what do I know? So I know that cosec square A minus cot square A, this is 1. So what can I calculate from this equation, this identity? Yes, guys. I know cot A. I know cot A. So what can I calculate from this relation? Yes, yes, Hashif, what did you say? So I have cot A and this relation. Then what can I calculate? Let's say I know cot A is something 5 by something. So I have cot A, then what can I calculate from this identity?
Sir, cot A equal to 1 by cosec.
Yeah, so I can calculate cosec A, right? If I know cot A, then I can calculate cosec A, right? Am I correct, guys?
Yes.
Yes. So I can calculate cosec square A as 1 plus cot square. So this would be cosec A would be 1 plus cot square. So think of first step. This is the first step, right? We can calculate cosec A. Now I want to calculate sin A, right? So understood, guys? I can directly calculate sin A from here. This would be 1 by cosec A, which is 1 by 1 plus cot square. So I get the same answer. Understood? So using these
Yes.
three, yeah, we have only three identities in our hand. So we can write any other trigonometric ratios in forms of anything. Okay. Yeah, you guys, if you guys have any doubts, so please ask and please note down this part. So if you guys have any doubt, please ask. Right. So we just remember these three equations. And firstly, what we calculate the direct ones. And then we think about the other identity, other trigonometric ratio. And whenever you guys need me to scroll down, then you guys please tell. Oh, my T.
So can you scroll down?
And you guys practice this question, right? Because in this question, practice is, so they usually ask this question a lot. So you guys practice this question. Yeah. Noted, guys. Should I scroll down the screen?
Yes, yes.
Amar, understood.
Yes.
Oh, you didn't note it down, Shama. Sorry about that. Yeah. Should I stop it here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I forgot to tell you guys this that we usually we have this sine a square, right? So we usually write it like this, right? This means that sine a whole square, not the square on only sine and is, right? So this means that sine a whole square. This is the convention that we write like. Okay. So this doesn't mean that we are only taking the square of sine and then we are just fixing. Yeah, right. So this means the whole sine a square. Yes. Should I scroll down the screen? A little bit I can. Right. Okay. Whenever you guys have finished noting, please tell. And let us quickly finish this exercise and this chapter in this week. So today is Wednesday and we have Sunday. Yeah. So let us try to note it, everybody. Yes, guys, note it. Rizwan, Shama, Ashit, Amar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Shama and Rizwan, what about you guys?
Done, sir.
Okay, so now let us. Okay, so next one is Rizwan's turn, right? So let us ask Rizwan about the next question. Where is Rizwan? Yeah, you are here. Oh, so next question. Okay, Rizwan sir. So we have what? The second question we want to calculate. So what are the three identities that we know, Rizwan? Yes, Rizwan. Where did you go? Hello, Rizwan. Are you there? Yeah, Rizwan, are you there in the class? I guess. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Okay, so then who's turn? Ah,
Hello,
Rizwan.
sir. Can you repeat?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, I can you. So where did you go?
Huh?
Yeah,
No,
so
sir. Network problem, sir.
oh, network problem. Oh, so what are the three identities that we know?
What is
Yeah.
sin cos theta?
Okay. So let me, yeah, you guys repeat this so that you guys remember. So these are the three that,
Uh,
right.
sec 2 a minus tan 2q equals 1.
What are you saying? So this is tan square A, right? No Q.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, and then the last one is,
Cosec square q, cosec square a minus cot square a equals 1.
these are the three that we know. Now, just look at this question. They are asking us to write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A, right? So first thing that we look is that what direct trigonometric ratio we can calculate. So first one is the easiest one, reciprocal one. So what should be the first one? Yes, sir. What is the first one
What's
that we,
that?
yeah, what is the first one that you can say without knowing these three? What is that? What is the trigonometric ratio you can write knowing sec A? Ah,
That
yeah,
p by h.
yeah. So sec A is h by b, right? So
H by b.
yeah. So what is the
H
direct?
by
Yeah. So this is the reciprocal of which trigonometric ratio?
what's that?
This is the reciprocal of which trigonometric ratio?
Sec
Yes, sir. Hmm. Are you not revising this one?
no, it's not that. Cot.
Cot,
Was it cot say?
cot. Then what about tan? So what is the reciprocal of
Oh
tan?
yeah, tan.
No, I'm saying that
Oh
cot.
yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. So what is the reciprocal of sec A? Yes,
Reciprocal of tan is 1 by cot. I mean, yeah,
yeah. So reciprocal of tan A is 1 by. Yeah.
it's cot. Yeah.
So reciprocal of tan A is cot, not 1 by cot, right? So
Yes.
then what is the reciprocal of sec A? So Hashish, Shaima, Ma, you guys can help Rizwan because Rizwan,
Really.
yeah. Yes, anyone? Yeah, Hashish, you were
You say?
saying
Cos.
something. Oh, Shaima, yes. Cos.
Yes.
Did you, Shaima, did you say cos?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So cos A is
Thank you for saying.
1 by 6. Right. So this one we can directly say. This is the first one. Now, from this equation, what we can calculate directly? We know sec A. We know sec A. So using these three equations, from which equation we can directly calculate the other one. So in which equation sec A is appearing? Yeah, in which equation sec A is appearing? Rizwan,
So can you repeat?
in which equation sec A is appearing? In these three identities.
Second.
Second one. So which means that what can I calculate? I know sec A. So what can I calculate?
Yes. Cos.
So I have this equation, right? This one, and I know
Yes.
sec A. So what can I calculate? You see the equation, which one is the other one?
Tan.
Tan. So I can calculate tan, right?
Okay.
I know sec a. Then from using this, I can calculate tan. So uh, I can write sec square a minus tan square a equals to what? So I take this sec square a in the right hand side. So this becomes minus tan square a equals to 1 minus sec square a. So I take the negative sign as well. So this becomes what? Tan square a becomes sec square a minus 1. So tan a becomes what? Is this clear?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
So now I have calculated cost and now I have calculated tan. So I need to calculate sine, I need to calculate what? Cosec, and I need to calculate cot, right? So
Hmm.
using this tan, can I calculate cot?
What, sir?
So I have this tan A now, and I want to
Yes.
calculate. So what are the remaining ones? So we have sine, and we have cosec, and we have cot. So these are the remaining ones, right? So
Hmm.
I have cos A. So from cos A, I can calculate sine A, right? And from sine A, I can calculate cosec A. I have tan A. So what is the trigonometric ratio I can calculate using tan A?
Cor.
Yeah. So yeah, you said the right thing, and then there was some hesitation.
It was okay. Cot.
I can calculate a cot A. What would be cot A?
Um, 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 root
Don't
cosec
don't think about root or something like that. What is the reciprocal? Cot A is reciprocal of what?
1 by
Yeah, one by
cosec.
1 by cosec.
Hmm?
1 by cosec.
No.
So cot A is reciprocal of what? Always remember these pairs. So you have sine, you have cos, and you have tan. So sine A reciprocal is cosec A, cos A reciprocal is sec A, and tan A reciprocal is cot A. So whenever you are given sine A, you can calculate cos A. Whenever you are given cosec A, you can calculate. Whenever tan A is given, you can calculate cot A.
Cot.
So cot A would be 1 over what?
1/10.
Tan A, right? And do
Yes, sir.
you know tan A?
Yes, sir.
Do you know tan A?
Yeah, 1/cot.
So from here, tan A you have calculated, right? So this would be 1 over 6 square A minus 4. So
Uh,
this would be cot A.
yes, sir.
So we have calculated cos, we have calculated tan, we have calculated cot. Now these are the two things which are remaining, right? So
Mm.
either using, and we have just seen earlier that either of the equation we can use. So either we can use the first one or we can use the third one, right? Because second one we have
Yes.
already used. So which one is easier for you? We want to calculate sine.
Yes. The
We
first
want to,
one. Yeah.
and cos A we know. Cos A we know. So let us calculate the sine square. So sine square A plus cos square A, this is 1. So sine square A is 1 minus cos square A, and sine of A is root of 1 minus cos square. And we already know the value of cos A. This is 1 by sec A, right?
Yeah,
So,
yes, sir.
so this would be simply 1 by 6 squared. So we simplify this and we get what? 6 square A minus 1 root divided by, I will directly write sec A. So this is my sine A. Understood?
Mm,
Yes, sir. Understood. You guys
yes,
can
sir.
also, Hashid, Shaima, Amar, you guys also can tell. Now, yeah. Okay, Rizwan. For you, I have sine A. What can I calculate easily? I have sine A.
Yes.
What can I calculate easy?
Uh, mm, cos sin
Yes,
A cosec.
cosec A, right? Cosec A. Good, good. So, yeah, cosec A. Cosec A, I can calculate this is 1 by sine A. Correct, boss? So, we write, take the reciprocal of this one. So, this is sec A by root of 6 square A minus 1. So, now we have calculated the whole trigonometric ratio,
মানে
right? So,
I'm
these
just a
were,
t-shirt, no?
huh? Which t-shirt?
Nothing, sir, nothing. No, I was talking about tissues, sir. Sorry.
Okay, so yes, Hashish, Shaima, and Amar. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So what has happened to you, Amar? Everything all right?
Yes, like I can't, I can't unmute my mic too much because in my side it gets
Oh,
too laggy. So,
yeah, yeah. Good, good.
I know
And
how
it's
it feels, brother.
and yeah. So did you get any microphone?
mm, no, sir.
Oh, okay, yeah. So okay. So you guys note it down and then yeah. So Harshid and Shaima, any doubts?
Yes, no, sir.
Oh, so there is a mixed answer, yes and no. So which one is the correct answer?
No, sir, not it.
Oh, okay. Yes, you guys then quickly note it down and then so Shaima. So then it is Shaima's turn, right? Okay, so this is the second question, right? What I will give is that I will give a homework to write all the trigonometric quantities in the form of sine A. So yeah, I will send some to us, right? And whenever you guys want me to scroll down, you guys please tell. Always remember these three. So these three are the savior. Okay, and then you will, yeah, you will be able to solve all the problems. So whenever you guys want me to scroll down the screen, guys, please tell.
Second is kernel.
Yeah. So
Then, sir.
done. So we have another one, cosec A also.
Oh,
Can you go up a little bit?
Oh, this one. Is this okay, Amar?
It's a little down, a little bit down. Yeah.
Oh, we have only 6 minutes. Yes, you guys quickly note it down.
The answer.
Okay, and this one. So please, guys, tell me if you have noted or not. Noted, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hashid, Shama, Amar.
Yes.
Okay, so now let us do the third problem. Oh, Shama, you have not noted. Okay, then please pick it up. Yes, Shaima, noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we have the next problem. So that is Shaima's turn, right? And okay, so third question, lots of questions. So third and part. So we have to choose the correct option and justify our choice. So we have this question, Shaima, for you, and you tell me that what is the correct answer? What is the correct option between these? Yeah, what we will do in this question? Yes, after a long time. Yes, Shaima, what should we do in this question? First thing is that what is there is nine, there is nine. So what should we do? It's one. So this one is saying it's one. Okay. And Shaima, what is your answer? Yes, what is your answer, Shaima? What we can first thing that we can do here is that take nine common. Now tell me what is this?
The second identity.
Second entity. It is one, right? So it is 1. So 9 into 1 is 1 is 1.
And
Okay, at least you try. So good, good. Yeah, so 9 into 1 is 9, right? So this would be the answer. Understood, everyone?
yes, sir.
Okay, so now in these kind of questions, so we have this one, right? What we can do is that we change everything in sine and cos. Okay, so to simplify this, we change everything in sine and cos. So this is the ultimate truth. Whenever you have in the third exercise, whatever we will do is that we'll ultimately change it to sine and cos. So for simplification, always try to change it to sine and cos. Right. Okay, so the next batch is not joining. So yeah. So let us do this second question. Yes, Shaima, what we can write in sine and cos? How can we write tan theta? Yes, Shaima.
Tan
Tan
theta
theta.
is sine theta by cos theta.
Yes, yes. Good. Tan theta by cos theta. And what is sec theta? Sec theta is
1
what?
upon cos theta.
1 upon cos theta. Yes. And then we have this one. So cot theta is what? In terms of sine and cos. Yeah. So you have correctly said that tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So what would be cot theta?
Cos theta by sine theta.
Yes, absolutely right. So cos theta by sine theta. And then what is the next one? Minus cosec theta. So what would be minus cosec theta?
1 by sine theta.
1 by sine theta. So now let us simplify this. This is LHS. And so this is LCM. So cos theta. This is cos theta plus sine theta and plus 1. And then who got disconnected? Sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. And then divided by sine theta. Right. So we have this one. And what we can write? Oh, Faz is joined. So what is the identity that we can use? What is the identity that we can use here? Let's say if I write this one as A and this one as B. So this is also A and this is also B. So what is this identity?
A plus B into A minus B.
So which means that A square minus B square, correct? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And then whatever is in the denominator. Okay, so A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 1 divided by sine theta cos theta. So what is the simplification we can do in this question? What is the identity that we can use? Yes, anyone? Yeah, which identity we can use in here? We know all the three. So who's replied? Third one. Oh, so sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. Always repeat these identity. Otherwise, you guys will forget, right? So cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta equals to 1. So which one we can use? This one,
First one.
right? So this is 1 plus 2 sine theta into cos theta, then minus 1, then divided by sine theta into cos theta. Sorry guys that I am taking your time, right? So 1 minus 1 cancels and we have 2 sine theta into cos theta divided by sine theta into cos theta. This one cancels this one, so we have 2. Correct? So which one is the correct answer? Eh? Oh, I thought that I don't have any option. So this one. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so quickly note it down, and the people from second batch are waiting. So before they scold me, right?
What, sir?
People from the next batch are waiting, right? So before they shout at me or they scold me, yeah.
What this order you?
Sir, I took SS. SS. I didn't understand this part, Hashit. Yeah, I took SS. Oh, screenshot. Oh, good, good, good. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, see you guys on Sunday and then we'll try to finish this exercise. Okay. Rizwan, Shaima, and Hashid and Amar. So, see you guys on Sunday. And I'll send you some homework. So, you guys, please send me those homeworks. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah. So,
Bye. Thank you, sir.
yes, yes. Bye, bye, Rizwan. Okay. So, only, yeah, where did Shreyash go? Shreyash was here a moment ago. Oh, yeah. So, Hashid, did you say anything? Yeah, Hashid. We have the backup plans. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, yes. Bye, bye, Hashid. Allah Hafiz. And yeah, we only Abir and Faiz have come. So, what we can do? Hello, Abir, and hello, Faiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. Let's wait for other guys, right? And I thought that you said that this trigonometry is the most difficult one, right? Maybe you or Tejasvi. So between two, some I guess that you guys said that for you or maybe it was Tejasvi that you found trigonometry the toughest one. So was it you or Tejasvi?
It was me, sir.
Oh, you.